It's Jason and Jason's Jungle. I'm going to be lifting my King Edwards, which are for Erica's Little Welsh Gardens Potato Challenge 21. Let's see what I get out of them. These are the King Edwards that I planted for Erica's Little Welsh Gardens Potato 2021 Potato Challenge, which is 1.5 kilograms of shop bought potatoes, and to see how much we can get. As you can see, they're about ready to come out. I planted 12 tubers in this bed, and I planted 1 tuber into a 30-litre pot. So I'm going to dig them up today and see what I get. This bed's basically been left to itself. A bit of bindweed growing in it, so and a few other weeds, but we'll clear them out as we're going. So let's start off. Oh, I can see potatoes. Massive bindweed root. Put that to the side to get rid of it and dry out. You can see over here, one has been on the surface and something's had a go at it. So good job I'm now decided to dig them all up. So that's scrap. I'll bin that, but I'll get on with these. Oh, look at these things. Right on the surface, underneath, I've got a grass mulch on here. That's the only thing I've really done with this bed, is keep applying grass mulches. And that not only helps to keep the potatoes covered, that one's going a bit green. It's right on the top, but it helps to keep them a bit covered, and it also improves the soil. So that's the story so far. There's a few green ones, but that's not a problem, because those can be used as seed potatoes, or you can cut the green off if it's not too bad. But I'm going to dig over this bed, make sure I get every last one out, and then I'm going to go down to the bucket and empty that out. I am sweating. All that digging all over, and this is how many potatoes I've missed. There's probably still a few in there, but I'll have to deal with them when they sprout next year. But I did get quite a bit of the bindweed root out, and I've incorporated a lot of the remainder of the mulch into the pot, which will break down. So what I'll do is I'll probably put a green manure in here for a little while, and then take that down the end of September and plant into it for overwintering veg. This is the final King Edward. There's just one, let's just check, yeah. There's just one tuber in here, and this has been grown on a trough with water, with capillary matting going down into that trough, and then just left for it. So let's get this out. I'll just run and grab a tray to put them in. Hold on. So I've got myself a gravel tray that I can start putting things into. And I will just pull these out. You can already see one on the surface gone a bit green, two that have gone a bit green. But as I said, there was going to be seed potatoes. It's so heavy it's knocking the tray over. I'll put them down here for now and come bring them out when I've got to. So what I'll do now is I will go and get my scales and come back and weigh them. Okay, that's the total haul. Got me luggage scales, and I'm going to zero them on the bag. Now I usually do pounds when I measure. When I'm doing kilograms today, because everyone else on the challenge will be doing kilograms, and it's easier to compare to see if I've got more than the original 1.5 kilograms. I think I have. But first, I'll just measure the ones from the bucket by themselves. So this was one tuber in a bucket. So we'll see how much that came to. Right then. Move the handle out of the way so I can get it in. That is 1 kilogram .54. Don't know if you can see that. 1.54. That's more than I originally planted. Just. So I've got my weights back there. Now let's add the rest and see what the grand total is. I don't want to measure the snails. Slugs. Okay, let's see what this weighs in at. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy. That is coming in at a grand total of, just let it settle down, not quite 10, it's 9.78 kilograms. That's not bad. It's over 5-6 times the amount. 6 times the, yeah. That's not too bad of payback. Oh. So that's the bag. So that's quite a nice haul of spuds there. I'm pretty chuffed with that. If you've liked, click on like. Leave a comment below, tell us if you were in the Evercast challenge and how's yours doing. And well, I'll see you on my next video. Subscribe as well, that's the other one. Yeah, so I will see you later. Ta-ra.